National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kidney County, McLeod County, southeastern Brown County, north central Watonwan County, northwestern Nicollet County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairfax to near Newell to 6 miles north of St. James, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gibbon and Lafayette around 5:50 p.m. Winthrop and Stewart around 5:55 p.m. New Ulm, Brownston, and Cortland around 6 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Hutchinson, Glencoe, Silver Lake, and Gaylord. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central and central Minnesota. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the